CRCL stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. I'm the only guy in the space that's done over 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not just saying this just to say it. It's like really taking me 42,000 videos to make it in 5 years, and no one else has been putting in the work every single day for 5 years like this except me. And actually documenting everything, like recording for 5 years. No one else. Show me, right? With CRC, I have 15 results here. I began by being bullish whilst it was 76 bucks. You might think that I'm lying to you, but here is the proof. 76 bucks, 98 cents. Was aiming for at least 104 3 weeks back, and since then we've reached 300 bucks. So the only thing that I would care about is a double break. That's the only thing that I would care. And if there's not any sort of shift or anything, then I personally would not care. I wouldn't be forcing just to force trades or just to trade just for the sake of it. No, I'm sticking to rules, right? So if you want to learn the knowledge that's taken me 5 years to catch in hours, click the first link below. Risk-free. Discord and all the workshops, 1,200 people have gotten it. All reviews are 5 stars, and like I said, it's risk-free.